chosen plot of land seemed perfect for their new weekend home. Views, large dimensions, solar orientation, generous setbacks, high soil permeability, absence of boundary walls. However, a requirement in the condominium's building regulations regarding the roofs of the houses caught them by surprise. The couple's references in contemporary architecture, influenced by 24/7 architecture projects, pointed to a house with volumetry that concealed the roofs. However, the condominium regulations did not allow the use of flat slabs or concealed roofs. This would then be the first house with exposed roofs from the office. The Haras Larissa House emerges from a pavilion-like layout consisting of 3 volumes forming an H. The idea stemmed from the desire to centralize the leisure area in relation to the other spaces of the house. The result creates 2 outdoor living areas, a main one with a deck and swimming pool, and a secondary one with a spa, reflecting pool, and a fire pit. Although separated by the perpendicular volume, the areas are visually connected thanks to the transparency of the sliding glass doors. The pavilion of the main facade basically accommodates the distribution of the service area and garage, as well as the social access of the house. The house is a mix of concrete structure and metal structure in the pillars, beams, and roof structure. Kumaru wood was used in the ceiling, laminated glued pine slats on the facade, and Itauba wood on the roof. Natural stone was used as cladding for external and internal walls, as well as for pavements. The central pavilion, in an open concept and with floor-to-ceiling sliding doors on both sides, houses the dining room and a spacious living room with a fireplace. The third pavilion houses the most intimate wing with 4 suites and a TV room. The ground floor distribution of the house program gives the environments a sense of continuity beyond the built limit, since all have a visual relationship through glass sliding doors. external veranda, common to all rooms, allows for a more direct circulation to the rooms of the house, as it eliminates the need to pass through the internal corridor, making circulation more dynamic and integrating the house more with leisure. A glass door on the main facade reveals the entrance hall of the residence and no other room. Only a stone wall in the background and wooden panels on the sides, which conceal a wine cellar and a cloakroom area for visitors. The simple volumetry and the purity of the gabled roof, as well as the use of natural materials such as stone cladding on the walls and the use of wood, significantly contribute to the harmony of the architectural ensemble and to the desired aspect of a country house.